Alright, so we're back at Johnny's again for our video. Since last time we put a motor on the drift trike. His is over here. Fortunately though, there's a lot of oil just running through it if we can't get it to start. So, probably just going to buy a new one. That's kind of all we have with that, you know. We brought a little something to play with, at least I did. Damn, it looks like shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been fun though. We've sent it down quite a few hills.
It's had a better day.
Yeah, I know. I was looking at that
got
earlier.
These new 6 spinners, guys. Hell yeah.
Hell fucking yeah.
I think we could safely take this rope off because, well,
yeah, I just left
here,
it.
and this is a quick little reference to why we don't fuck with ditches in Power Wheels. Okay, guys.
Yeah, we pulled it with the 4-wheeler.
Are gonna happen.
Yeah.
This has been through a lot.
Yeah. Yeah. We got the custom fuck off. The dick on the back, as you just saw. The Rasta splattered fucking seat.
Who doesn't like the Rasta?
I know, right? That took forever to do too, and it still came out like shit. Yeah, this is why I don't paint stuff for people or myself. But this we didn't give a shit about. But we're actually just gonna. Right now, we stripped the gears out of it a while back. That's what we were riding it down the hills with. So we're gonna ride it down this hill real quick and see what happens. Yeah, we got her tied up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was a hack job.
Yes, it was. But yeah, then we're actually, as you saw the bed frames over there, we're actually going to turn it into a go-kart. We're going to be cutting the frame off of this, or sorry, not the frame, the body.
Everybody's already seen that pink 450, right?
Yeah.
Well, this will be a close number 2, so.
Kinda. But it'll be our version.
We're gonna see if we can't be a little bit better than that other one.
Yeah. But yes, the frame will be made of bed frames, though.
I mean, hey, if it can hold a 300 and 400 pound person, fucking away.
And the mattress.
It'd be fine.
Oh yeah, that'll be just fine.
It's seeing worse than it.
Yeah. So that'll be fun. So we'll also be doing that in this video. So I guess I'm not gonna sit here and talk while he's untying the whole thing. So
I'll eventually get it, guys.
yeah. So I'll just cut back whenever we're going down the hill. All right. So a little change in plan. Instead of going down the hill, well, I'm still gonna go down the hill, but instead we got to jump at the end. Yes, I know, obviously, it is not very well made. It's not supposed to be. It was for the RCs, but we're kind of expecting it to blow apart. More or less, I'm curious to see what happens. This should be fun. Roll the old bitch up the hill.
Alrighty, here goes nothing. Ready when you are. I don't know if he's gonna have enough speed.
I lost a lot of speed.
I was worried about that. I didn't know if you had enough speed. At least, I mean, the ramp didn't completely fall through yet.
That's good. All right, so we'll try again. This time I'm gonna really run at it. All right, great.
All right, we're gonna try this again. He's giving a run start. I think that drag on that front end's got it caught up.
Hell yeah! How the fuck
Straight
did
as
that
fuck.
just
Hell
work?
yeah. Didn't even lose your lid.
Fucking right.
Whew. That was pretty badass. Hell
That
yeah.
was fucking rough.
I bet too. That was a pretty good little. I mean, there's a drop off there.
I mean, like, how far realistically? I mean, here's my tire marks. I mean, that ain't bad, but
I mean, considering hill, if you had it in the middle, maybe, or like at the bottom, like way down there, you get some jump.
oh yeah. Well, fuck. I almost feel like I should try again, just to see if I can't do anything better. Fuck it, we'll try one more.
You think he's about to get this one? Huh? You think he's gonna get it? Get some good air on this one? Ready? Full send. Ooh, he's got some good speed going this time. Okay. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, that one didn't work out.
Damn. Nailed it. Look at that. Tied in a knot and all. I don't know how many rolls you think that thing's got left in it.
A lot. I mean, it just depends how much we want to keep sending it.
Well, I mean, we got to put a cart body under it now.
That's what we're going to, but
All right, well, I think the next time they see this, it'll probably have a nice frame, and it'll be ready to.
the next time we ride it, yeah. But for now, we're gonna start chopping the bitch up. To
Fuck
get ready
yeah.
for that. And, I'll chop the body off while you weld stuff up. Well, first we'll chop this off and kind of get our measurements and.
Get a frame, weld it up.
Yeah.
Fit it on there and see what you do.
Roller. Alright, you guys, so little Johnny had to leave, but I ended up staying working on the Barbie Jeep. We didn't get to weld any frame or anything like I said we would, but that's okay. I worked on the body for the most part, so it's chopped up quite a bit. Seat all taken out, everything cut out. We're gonna drop the seat actually in there, like that is the plan. And I'm thinking I'm gonna cut it right up in here on both sides, and we're gonna extend it a little bit, as well as doing that with the front end. I want to chop the front end about here and actually put this piece in that to kind of widen everything up, because as it sits there's not room, because we want to put the motor in the front. So excuse all the parts. I'm thinking if we chop that front off, move it to the front, and put this back here, then have that front sticking out, as well as when we chop that, I'm thinking it'll look alright. But yeah, it's definitely getting there. Needs a lot still. I got all our iron over there, our angle iron. Drip strikes here. We're not sure about this motor, so like I said earlier, we're probably gonna pull it and buy a new one. It's been a while since we've actually really worked on this thing or done too much. But this will be fun. We're actually going to take this rear axle here that I pulled out of that, and I'm thinking kind of like how we did with the drift trike over here. If you look at it, it's obviously an old bicycle. So I'm thinking I'm going to bring one of my old ones, chop the front like we did here. As you can see, we chopped the top bar off. I'm going to chop it, just run it straight back and then have some angle iron set off to the side. And I'm just going to weld that axle on to it, and we'll go send it down some hills. I live in a pretty hilly area, so there's always a place to take it. So we'll go have some fun doing that. Thinking we'll try and put that in the next video as long as we get to it. Alright guys, so I'm going to close the video out here. But before I do, I forgot to show you. Just because I got a little bored and decided to have a little fun with the Barbie Jeep. Hi, Sadie. Sadie, get back. I moved the gear shift just for fun. I remounted the stereo just for fun. I'm gonna find something to like cover all this up so it looks better. Maybe even put some lights behind it. I don't know yet. I got all the wires taken out. We're gonna keep the gas pedal in it, just because why not? And yeah, that was pretty much it. So I guess I'm gonna close the video out here. It's a little late. It's a week and 1 day for uploading, which not very good. But hey, I mean, we're doing what we can. So comment, like, subscribe to see more. I guess that'll be it. Douches. So, as I'm getting ready to leave Little Johnny's, my battery decides it's dead. So now I'm sitting here waiting to be rescued and get the car started. So I've been sitting here for 15 minutes now waiting. I will update you whenever I get it started, I guess. Alright guys, so made it home. I could not get my car started, so that blows. Thinking it might be just a bad battery, which sucks. That's about $100. That's not more. So, but I did get home, so I guess time to edit this video. So I guess we're gonna do the outro again. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more. That's really all I gotta say. Douches.